आ गए सब? ओके। हेलो बच्चों, मैंने ये टेबल बनाया है विच शोज सेलिएंट फीचर्स ऑफ ऑल डिफरेंट फाइलम। ओके, ये टेबल पहले फिनिश कर लेते हैं बेटा। शॉर्टकट याद रखना, PCC पा, PAA पा में, MEH और लास्ट में कॉर्ड है। PCC पा में। अब P यानी पॉरीफेरा, C से निडेरिया जिसका दूसरा नाम है सिलेंटेरेटा, नेक्स्ट C से टेनोफोरम, राइट। अच्छा, फिर P से आएगा बेटा प्लैटीहेल्मिन्थिस, A फॉर एस्कैलमिन्थिस, नेक्स्ट A एनिलिडा, नेक्स्ट आर्थ्रोपोडा, M for mollusca. See, this lecture is like revision of what we have studied in previous lecture. Okay. E will go for echinodermata. H for hemichordata. And last would be chordata. So how do we remember this? PCC, Pa, Me. Okay, and last would be chordates. Then here what we find is level of organization, symmetry, coelom, that is cavity. Coelom refers to body cavity. Segmentation, digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and distinctive features. Now to begin with, beta, level of organization. Now level of organization में remember shortcut of OP. OP. P for platyhelminthes, O for organ. So platyhelminthes will have organ level of body organization and even organ system level of body organization. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट ट्रिक इज आफ्टर प्लैटीहेल्मिन्थिस एक बार ऑर्गन सिस्टम बन गया तो वापस से सेल तो बनेगा नहीं बेटा। सो यहां से सब कुछ सेम रखने का, दैट वुड बी ऑर्गन सिस्टम. So quickly I'll write organ system for all beta. So you remember the shortcut of OP. Organ system. Okay. हाँ. अच्छा. Now before organ you will have tissue, right beta? Correct? Okay. Even for nidaria what you will have is tissue level of body organization, and for porifera what you will have is only cell, that is cellular level of body organization. So here the main technique was OP. Remember, organ यहाँ से चालू होगा, बाकी सब में organ system, ऊपर के दो में tissue और first वाले में cellular. Next symmetry. अब symmetry में अपना technique is radial symmetry for CCE. I'll write here. Technique is radial symmetry for CCE. Now, what do we understand by CCE? Catch. C and C. तो ये दोनों का radial symmetry बेटा. So C and C stands for nidaria and ctenophora. Then E stands for echinodermata. Okay. Now other than that, whatever is left out, directly beta you will put a bilateral symmetry. If you remember, even for echinodermata, when it is in the larval stage, bachchu stage, it shows bilateral symmetry. The adult shows radial symmetry. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे बेटा for porifera as such it is asymmetrical, okay, right? But some of them will have different pattern as well, so we will write various symmetry. Okay, fine. So we are coming back to our shortcut. Level of organization में the shortcut taken was OP. That is organ and organ system will start from platyhelminthes onwards. Here radial symmetry in CCE. Now coming to coelom or cavity. Okay, very easily we will remember यहाँ पर A का एग्जाम्पल P और P का एग्जाम्पल A. A यानी एस्कैलमिंथस, एस्कैलमिंथस विल बी A, उसका एग्जाम्पल P, और P यानी प्लैटीहेलमिंथस, उसका आंसर A. So एस्कैलमिंथस will show pseudocoelom, whereas platyhelminthes will be acoelomate. What does acoelomate mean? Acoelomate means the coelom or the body cavity is absent. So यहाँ से ट्रिक बन जाएगा, ऊपर की तरफ सब में coelom is absent बेटा. और ये pseudocoelomates. इसके बाद what will start as coelomate category. coelomates में body cavity is present. तो इसके बाद सब के इसमें the cavity is present. ठीक है, इतना समझा. सो सीलम में A का एग्जाम्पल P और P का आंसर A, वैसे याद रखो. अच्छा, अब आते हैं सेगमेंटेशन में. सेगमेंटेशन तुमको मिलेगा एनिलिडा में, आर्थ्रोपोडा में और कॉर्डेट्स में. सो विल पिक अप AAC. एनिलिडा में segmentation is present, right? Earthworm was the example. Metameric segmentation we have discussed. Go to the previous video and check better. Arthropoda में भी it is present, and even in chordata it is present better. Rest all में segmentation is absent. पॉलीफेरा में तो मेजॉरिटी फीचर आर एब्सेंट. ओके, गया गुजरा है एकदम. राइट, फाइन. नेक्स्ट, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. नाउ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में वी हैव कंप्लीट एंड इनकम्प्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. सो कंप्लीट एंड इनकम्प्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में टिल प्लैटीहेलमिन्थस what we will put is incomplete digestive system, and from Aschelminthus it is complete digestive system. So before all this it is incomplete digestive system. That means the digestive system is absent. Okay, and complete digestive system means digestive system is present. So what we can do is we can write down present, and incomplete digestive system refers to digestive system being absent. Okay, so there is no well defined system which is present. So we'll write absent. अच्छा, circulatory system. Okay, annelida onwards circulatory system is present. Annelida onwards, and before annelida circulatory system is absent. So we'll write down absent. Respiratory system, after annelida you take arthropoda onwards, it is present. And before that it is absent. Okay. However, about distinctive features, so we have already studied in great detail in our previous videos. We'll take only one or two striking characteristics in this particular section. Starting with porifera. Porifera की खास बात क्या है कि body में खड्डे होते हैं, pores, and they show presence of canals in the body walls. Right? अच्छा, next what do we have is Nidaria will show presence of nidoblast, ये इनकी स्पेशलिटी है. Then Ctenophora, they will show presence of comb plates for locomotion. Comb plates for locomotion. Short man fitting, ठीक है, right? फिर आ रहे हैं Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes, they are known for their flat shape, so these are flat worms, and they show presence of suckers for sucking the nourishment, right, बेटा? अच्छा, then we have Escalminthes. Escalminthes are round worms, elongated body, लंबे होते हैं बहुत. Okay, then what do we have, बेटा? Annelida. Annelida will show presence of rings, ring-like body, and the body is segmented. Arthropoda, they are known for their jointed appendages. Mollusca is known for soft body, which is protected by shell made up of calcium, beta. Okay. Echinodermata. Echinodermata is known for spiny body, adults are known for their radial symmetry, and they are known for calcium containing spines on their body. So that's their endoskeleton, okay, as well as exoskeleton. जो कांटे जैसा प्रोजेक्शन है ना, okay, कड़क कड़क, वो कैल्शियम का बना होता है. Hemichordata. Hemichordata, they are also worms. They are called as acorn worms. Shows presence of 3 body parts: proboscis, collar, and trunk. Last chordates तू जानता है बेटा? They show presence of notochord. Chordates are known for ventral heart. Heart का position is ventral बेटा. अच्छा, how is the nerve cord in chordates? The nerve cord is a single, hollow, and dorsal. Dory है, तू याद रखना, dorsal बेटा. Okay. अच्छा, other than that they have paired pharyngeal gill slits with presence of limbs, hands and legs. And if we are talking about fish, then they will show presence of fins. So well students, that's all about salient features of different phylum. I request you to take screenshot of this please. Each of the section over here can come up as MCQ. Remember the technique as I have told you. Well, okay. So now animal kingdom का summary part is also done. Chapter का हो गया स्वाहा. If you stay connected to this wonderful channel, I'll be coming up with advanced NEET lectures. Advanced NEET lectures जो बहुत ही तोड़ होगा. ये तो सिर्फ NCERT level का है बेटा. ठीक है? Thank you.